Jim Jow. Jim Jow.
The manufacturing process of gym dumbbells in a factory involves several steps, including material selection, casting or forging, machining, coating, and assembly. Here's an overview of the process. 1. Raw material selection. Dumbbells are typically made from cast iron, steel, or rubber-coated materials. High-quality steel or iron ensures durability and proper weight balance. 2. Casting or forging. Cast iron dumbbells. Molten iron is poured into molds shaped like dumbbells and left to cool and solidify. Forged steel dumbbells. Steel is heated and shaped under high pressure to create solid, heavy-duty dumbbells. Three. Machining and shaping. The rough cast or forged dumbbells are machined to remove excess material and achieve the correct shape and weight. CNC, computer numerical control. Machines are used to ensure precision and uniformity. 4. Surface, treatment, and coating. To prevent rust and enhance durability, dumbbells go through different finishing processes. Electroplating, chrome or nickel coating for a shiny, rust-resistant finish. Powder coating, a durable, corrosion-resistant layer is added. Rubber or urethane coating. Some dumbbells are coated with rubber or urethane to reduce noise and protect gym floors. 5. Handle manufacturing and grip enhancement. Handles are either knurled, textured, or rubber-coated for better grip. Ergonomic designs are incorporated to improve user comfort. 6. Weight verification and quality control. Each dumbbell is weighed to ensure accuracy. Strength and durability tests are conducted to check for defects. 7. Assembly and packaging. If the dumbbells have removable weight plates, they are assembled and securely fastened. Each dumbbell is cleaned, labeled, and packaged for distribution. 8. Shipping and distribution. The final products are transported to warehouses, retailers, or directly to customer. The boat manufacturing process in a factory involves several key stages, ensuring quality, durability, and safety. Here's an overview of the process. 1. Design and engineering. CAD software is used to design the boat, considering hydrodynamics, stability, and weight distribution. Structural integrity and material selection are finalized. 2. Mold preparation and hull construction. Molding. A plug is created to make a fiberglass or composite mold. Laying the hull, fiberglass, resin, or other materials like aluminum or steel are layered in the mold. Curing. The material is cured under controlled temperature and pressure to harden. 3. Deck and superstructure assembly. The deck, cabin, and other structural components are manufactured separately and attached to the hull. Bonding and mechanical fastening ensure strength. 4. Interior and systems installation. Electrical systems. Wiring, lighting, and control panels are installed. Plumbing and HVAC. Water systems, fuel lines, and climate control units are fitted. Engine and propulsion. Engines, propellers, or jet systems are mounted and tested. Interior finishing. Seating, cabinetry, flooring, and custom interiors are installed. 5. Painting and finishing. The exterior is sanded, primed, and painted with protective coatings. Branding and detailing are applied. 6. Quality control and testing. Each boat undergoes rigorous inspections for structural integrity and system functionality. Water testing. Sea trials ensures buoyancy, speed, and maneuverability. 7. Final assembly and delivery. Accessories and final components are added. The boat is cleaned, polished, and prepped for shipment or customer delivery.